This is the Sanctuary of Truth in Pattaya City. The entire building is carved out of wood. So I'm inside the Sanctuary of Truth in Pattaya. Have to forgive all the noise, there's a lot of tours going on. In this corner of the Sanctuary of Truth we have the gods of earth, wind, fire, and water. And the workers hard at work, preparing more, building more, finishing off. So this column, the outer side is representing societies of rudeness and pride, and the inner side is representing society of modesty and humility. And it just has different carvings to represent those different truths. Everything here is wood, the entire building. It's phenomenal. It takes some adjustment to really comprehend what you're seeing, because it is so detailed everywhere you go. They're still building at the moment. So this column here, on the outside is society of disrespect. On the inside is a society of mutual respect. And again, different carvings depicting the different situations, the different styles of life. And it's really about you thinking about your life and deciding what society you should live in. This column, a society of discrimination on the outside, and on the inside, a society of listening to differences and accepting differences. Again, another column here representing another truth, society of bias on the outside, society of justice on the inside. Now if you're wondering, how does all of this get built? The answer is, it's still being built. There are workers here now, carving and adding more details to more parts of the building. In the workshops of the Sanctuary of Truth, staff hard at work carving wooden decorations. On the left hand side, society without compensation. On the right hand side, with reciprocity. tours are available. You get to wear a really cool, sexy white hard hat. The tours are available in English, Russian, and about 5 different Asian languages. I can't recall off the top of my head which languages they were. Just another hall here. The details are so intricate. It's fantastic. And then outside, lots of frangipani, elephant rides, if that's your thing, and much more. So if you're in Pattaya, I would say this is definitely worth a visit. 500 baht.